I'm Anna Helman. I'm so glad you're here. Let's look at today's quick tip. Today's tip is perfect if you like to make several cards at one time, or if you want to make up some card sets that you can either use as gifts or use them and sell them at craft fairs. What you're going to do is take a piece of cardstock. Now for most cards, you want this to measure 8 inches by 10.5. So you cut a 1/2 inch off of each side from a regular piece of cardstock. You'll stamp the center however you like, and then you'll stamp each corner. I have stamped this one with this lovely, pretty floral set right here. What we're going to do now is trim this into 4 pieces. So bring in my trimmer. I get a lot of questions about the lines on my trimmer, so I will link in the video description to an explanation on that. The idea is to save me time in cutting my card mats and card bases. So what I'm doing, I am lining this up. For a regular piece of cardstock, line up at 5 1/4 this way, turn it sideways, line it up at 4. For these, I'm making my cards just slightly more detailed. You'll see they have a little mat around the outside. I am cutting this at 5 1/8. Stack these on top. And for this one, I am cutting at 3 7/8. When we put those on card bases, here you can see the results. Aren't these beautiful? So I have several cards made up I can send, or I can bundle these in a set and use them as a gift. Now with these, you can see I left the little mat around the outside with the blue cardstock behind. If you just want to use basic mats with no extra mat underneath, so this would be the size of the blue, you're going to start with a piece measuring 8 by 10.5, cut that in half both directions. For these, you want to cut it 1/4 inch smaller on both sides, and then again cut that in half at 3 7/8 and 5 1/8. Here I've added envelopes and a ribbon, and you can see this beautiful card set that we created really easily. Thanks so much for being here. If you are new, please subscribe. I hope you'll be back again next time when I'll be here helping you to hand make with love.